exposing the secret in broccoli that could transform your health. First up, broccoli is a nutrient-rich superstar loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that do wonders for your body. Need an immune boost? Broccoli's high vitamin C content will help you fight off those pesky infections. Want a healthier heart? The fiber and antioxidants in broccoli can lower your cholesterol and reduce inflammation. And guess what? Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Struggling with digestion? Broccoli's fiber and glucosinolates support your digestive system and aid detoxification. Looking for a natural skin protector? Vitamin E in broccoli helps shield your skin from UV damage. Trying to manage your weight? Broccoli is low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber, making it perfect for weight management. So add broccoli to your meals today, whether it's steamed, roasted, or tossed in a salad. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.